Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about area from chapter perimeter, area and volume. In last lecture we will discuss about perimeter. Now we are going to discuss about the area. First we will discuss what is meant by area. Definition: area is the measure of a closed figure. Means here we can calculate the area of closed figure. Area is generally measured in square unit. It is measured in square unit, or another definition of area: area is a space occupied by a closed plane figure. Means area is the space occupied by closed plane figure. You can observe this figure. Means now we are going to discuss about area of a rectangle. How we can calculate the area of a rectangle? Suppose A, B, C, D. This is one rectangle. Okay. Now you can observe the figure. You can observe this part is L. This part is L. L means length, and this part is your breadth, B. Okay. This part is length of a rectangle, and this part is a breadth of a rectangle. Okay. Now length denoted by letter L and breadth is denoted by letter B. I hope you understand. Okay. L stand for length and B stand for breadth. This is your breadth, this is your breadth, and this is your length, and this is your length. Okay. Now we will discuss the formula of a area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Means if we multiplied length into the breadth, then we can get the area of a rectangle. Okay. Keep in your mind, everyone pay attention and keep in mind. Okay. I'll repeat that part. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth, and area of a rectangle denoted by a small capital letter A means area of a rectangle, or A means area, is equal to length into breadth. Now we will discuss one example. First example from the practice set: find the area of a rectangle with the following dimensions by using formula. Means we have to use the formula, and everyone know that A is equal to L into B, or area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Now we will discuss this example. Already they given that first example A, L is equal to 12 centimeter and B is equal to 5 centimeter. Means L stand for length and B stand for breadth. Now we have to write, means solution, we have to write given. Already we know that L stand for length, L is equal to 12 centimeter and B means breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. We know that, means WKT means we know that. Okay. Means already we discuss about the area of rectangle, and area of rectangle it is denoted by A. A is equal to L into B. Area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay. Now is equal to, instead of this L we are going to put value 12. Means already it is given, then instead of L I'll write 12 multiplied by, instead of this B we can write 5. Then everyone know that 5 or 12 5s are here. I'll multiplied 5 2s are 10 and 1 carry, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 60. Okay, 60. This is your area, but we know that area can be represent, or area is generally measured in square unit. Therefore, area of a rectangle is equal to 60 square centimeter. I hope you understand this part. Okay, if you are getting problem regarding this part, just call me back. Have a nice day.